Shake the tail and drift away. Don't talk to talk to.
Today is Saturday morning, it's a little past 8, 12 minutes past, and my washer fluid is low. We are off to LK Perfomance Meet down in Heckmondwike, but before then I'm driving over to my friend Biggs' house to get my car in his clean, because my pressure washer broke, as it always does. So we're going down to his just to give it a quick blitz, nothing in depth or anything, just a quick 20 minutes each, snow foam, pressure wash, boom, just so we don't look terrible, because my car looks absolutely horrendous from the outside, and I think I have a feeling that his does as well. So let's get to Biggs' house. So I should probably say that Biggs' house is actually in Normanton, which is the other side of Wakefield, and then Heckmondwike is the completely other way. But I really need my car washed, and I don't trust these car wash, pressure washer places that you get at like Jet Garage and stuff. I just like to do it all myself. I'm quite anal. I just like to clean my own car, as I'm sure most of you guys would do as well. So I want to see if I can get myself a quick cup of coffee, because I can't function without coffee on the morning, not at this time on a Saturday, and then get myself to Biggs's as quick as I can. You guys will probably like his car because he's got a Nissan 370Z, which is pretty sweet. These set of alloys and suspension set I've done from LK. He actually won the alloys for a prize, so that just shows you that why not just enter all these different prize draws? You might actually win. But anyway, I'll see you at Biggs' house. Well, that's the way we do it. What's the ratio again?
1 to 5, but you said 1 to 9. So
1 to 9.
We'll try 1 to 9 on you and see if it's any thicker.
Does it say 1 to 5 on the actual box?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it actually? Where does it say that?
Does it? Actually, no. 1 to 3.
Fuck off. There's no way. Well, Pro Clean guys, there you have it. 1 to 3. 1 to 9, you're gonna have to like adjust this so it just like sprays thickness, bare thickness on car.
We'll try it.
Because I don't think that 1 to 9 will do a good enough job of this. She's really dirty. Those guys at PBS pads, less than a week, and I clean it once or twice a week, but this time I left it because my pressure washer actually broke. You can see how disgusting that actually is. And to be fair, I should just get some mud flaps, but hey, this stuff's actually getting brake dust off. It's quite good. Yeah? Okay, it's melting away. It's decent stuff, this. He's been knocking it. You should be working at a car wash, mate.
Good on it.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm sorry, GLOSSKINGS. I'm using a different brand today. That's just because my pressure washer's dead. So, but as you can see, this isn't too bad either. But GLOSSKINGS all the way, boys and girls. Look at that as well there. Jesus. Look at that. Give her a nice little wash, give her a blast, and then off to LK. Boy Biggsy, got a nice hot chocolate. It's his treat. It's absolutely bang. Well, it's not banging it down, but it's getting there. Some people there with brollies out. Some nice cars, but the problem is it's shit weather. Let's get cracking.
Tip, tip, tip,
odd one out. Nope. 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 Oh look, Jap in a German crowd. I left Bigsy on the M62 on the way back from Heckmondwike. He's gone Pontefract way because he lives in Wakefield at the other side. I live in Barnsley, so I'm heading through Wakefield to get back home. And yeah, it was just a quick nice little meet. Had a couple of coffees, met a few great people, you know, networking, all that sort of stuff. Took a few nice shots, I think, hopefully. And yeah, first ever YouTube video for this sort of stuff, so I hope you guys sort of enjoy it. Give it a like and a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it. That'll be amazing. It's just for a bit of fun, bit of a hobby sort of thing. I enjoy car content in general and filming cars and taking photos of cars and stuff, so go follow me on Instagram, st_Jazeki. That'll be great. And yeah, see you in the next video.